Unwind with words, understanding, resting up. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, resting up. What does it mean to rest up? And how do you use it in everyday conversation? Stick around as we unravel the mystery of this phrase together. Resting up is an interesting phrase in English that means taking a break or relaxing to regain strength or recover from an illness or tiredness. When someone says they're resting up, they're essentially saying that they're in the process of restoring their energy. Let's look at how resting up is used in sentences. After the marathon, I'll need to rest up for a few days. She's resting up before the big game tomorrow. The doctor said to rest up after the surgery for a speedy recovery. In each of these sentences, resting up is used to describe someone taking the necessary time to recuperate. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the full context of resting up. Some similar phrases include recharging your batteries, taking it easy, recuperating. These terms convey a similar sense of taking a break to regain your strength. Culturally, resting up is a phrase that's well accepted as a necessary part of self-care. In many English-speaking countries, people understand the importance of taking time for oneself and resting when needed. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, resting up, and how you can use it to talk about relaxation and recovery. Remember, taking the time to rest up is not just about being lazy, it's an important part of maintaining your health and well-being. Until next time, take care and happy learning.